right, y'all.
Let's go! Right, engineer. Repair.
Definitely not gonna die.
Engineer. Good job, engineer.
Just hit all the buttons, bro.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Opposite that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Protecting the train. Take them out.
Amos at the fighters, y'all.
Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Fire engineers. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Whoa!
Way to go, left pilot.
Friends, they're good at it. Nice work. Okay. It's one. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Repeat shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Look! Oh, that's ridiculous. Get out of there. A distraction. Fire the missiles in the train. Hurry. Is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You will earn the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
93.50? Yeah. Some credits.
Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.